Brother Olive, thank you so much for your presence, for your attention, for your love, for your vibe, for what you've shared with us, the colors, the wonders, the inspiration. We highly appreciate that. We see you seeing us. We love you. We're here for you. What an honor to receive this brother and share so much in 2 days and 1 night, by the fire all night, looking at the stars, sharing, give and take. We've built many cosmic bridges in the spiritual and in the physical. So, thank you.
Thank you. It's been a true honor. It's a very special moment in my life. Thank you for everything.
Pleasure.
This man is a true legend. I'm very honored to be here right now. I know you said I know you said it was your honor, but to be frank, this is my honor to be here in your home. Thank you.
Coming from a legend, I'm humbled. Boom!
Boom!